If you want to recreate these 3 bold eye looks that you'll actually wear this summer, then this video is for you. Hey guys, I'm Ritika and you're watching me on Be Beautiful. Today I'm showing you some fun, colorful makeup looks that are actually flattering on brown skin tones and are super easy to recreate. Summer is here and that means it's time to retire the neutrals and bring back color into your makeup routine. The secret is all about balance, blending, and choosing the right kind of tones that actually complement your skin tone without fighting against it. Before we start with the eyes, let's get the base right. A good base helps the shadows pop while still making the overall makeup look seamless. I'm using the Lakme Blur Effect Primer to blur the pores and smooth out the skin, and following it up with the Lakme Vitamin C Super Glow Skin Tint for a fresh skin-like finish. For the first look, we're starting off a little playful, definitely taking some inspiration from Zara Larsson here. We know that blue eyeshadow is all the rage this year. We're seeing it on many celebrities. The new Chanel launch, and it's been trending on social media. I'm starting off with the L18 Eye Drama Berry Blue Kajal to line my waterline, and then I'm using the blue eyeshadow from the Lakme Ultimate Glam Eyeshadow Palette all over the lid, making sure to blend out the edges softly. Then I'm pairing it with the L18 Eye Drama Liner in Electric Pink. I like taking my time with this graphic liner because the shape really changes the vibe of this look. For this one, I went pretty easy. I just did the liner on the outer edge and the inner corners, and I think the pink complements the blue really well and it looks so edgy and fun. You can make the wing as subtle, as dramatic as you want, but definitely my favorite part is extending the liner slightly into the inner corners for that dramatic extra oomph. This color combination looks so good on deeper skin tones. The cool tone blue paired with the brightness of the pink creates contrast in the best way possible without washing out the skin. It's playful, trendy, and very summer coded. And if you're someone who's intimidated by colorful eyeshadow, graphic liner is actually one of the easiest ways to experiment without fully committing to the color everywhere. For the next look, we're doing a soft green eyeshadow with a brown halo effect. Now this is such an underrated combo for brown skin because the warmth of the brown tones balances out the green really beautifully and makes it look super wearable. Start by blending the warm eyeshadow into the crease and outer corners. This acts as your transition shade and helps soften the overall look. Then take the green eyeshadow and focus it mainly in the center of the lid for that soft halo effect. The trick with colorful eyeshadow is keeping the color concentrated in one area. It makes the look feel intentional and flattering instead of overpowering. You can also softly smoke out the lower lash line with a brown to tie everything together. I would do this look for a fun night out or a concert when I want to look fierce but don't want to put too much effort. If you want something edgy and cool, negative space eyeliner is going to be your best friend. You take a black eyeshadow on an angled brush and start shaping out a wing liner on the outer edge of the eye. Slowly blend in the shadow inwards but leave a blank space right before the center of the eye. I personally love this look on double lids like mine because from far away it looks like a regular smoky liner, but up close it has the dramatic editorial effect. To balance it out, I'm adding the shimmery purple from the same Lakme palette onto the inner half of the eyelid, and that's how you create a really easy negative space eyeliner look. You can absolutely recreate this with liquid liner too, but I personally find eyeshadow much easier to work with, especially if you're still experimenting. Once the eyes are done, finish with mascara to really open up the eyes and balance the look. I'm using the Lakme Iconic Mascara. I also like to keep the lips glossy and neutral whenever I'm doing colorful eye makeup because it just lets the eyes remain the focus. Don't be afraid to experiment with color. Makeup washes off at the end of the day and it's supposed to be fun. You just need to find the right colors and techniques that make you feel confident instead of overwhelmed. If you liked any of these fun summer looks, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Be Beautiful, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!